What adventure should we go on today?
Today's mission, find for puzzle pieces hidden around the world.
Puzzle pieces? How can we travel around the world?
Say the magic words.
Togi, Togi, Totogi, take us to France! Wow, what a wonderful atmosphere! Atmosphere means the feeling or mood in a place. What's that? I just glanced. I think I saw something. Wait, is that a puzzle piece? Glance means to look quickly. Wow, it's brilliant! Brilliant means very bright. Go, Togi! Next destination, Togi, Togi, Totogi, take us to America! Wow, we're in America! It's amazing! Look! Look! May we take the puzzle piece?
No.
We want to bring happiness to everyone.
No.
If we collect all the puzzle pieces, we can bring happiness to everyone in the world.
You convinced me.
Convince means to make someone believe or agree. The wind is harsh.
Whoa! Harsh means very rough or severe. Oh no! The puzzle is plunging! Plunge means to fall quickly downward. Whoa! She's so swift! Swift means very fast. Wow, it is so beautiful now! Excellent work! Puzzle piece collected.
Next destination is India.
Togi, Togi, Totogi, take us to India! We're in India! Let's find the puzzle piece. We found it! This puzzle piece is precious. Why do you need this puzzle piece? Because when we complete the puzzle, we can bring happiness to the whole world. We got another one! Precious means very valuable and special.
Excellent! Another puzzle piece has been collected. Our next destination is...
Australia! Togi, Togi, Totogi, take us to Australia! Look! It's another puzzle piece! Oh no! The kangaroo is so fast! We've been running for so long! My legs hurt! I'm so tired! But we can't give up!
Why were you chasing me?
You have an important puzzle piece in your pouch. Could you please help us?
Of course. You were tired, but you didn't give up. You endured the long chase. Endure means to keep going even when something is difficult.
Wow! Unite means to join together as one. The puzzle pieces united. This golden heart will send happy energy all around the world.